Good morning, everyone. Today's problem focuses on finding the missing ranges using a lower bound and an upper bound, and to find the missing gap between each element in an array. An element is missing if it's in the range, lower and upper bound, and it's not in the numbers array. Our algorithm aims to perform a linear search through the list of elements in the nums array. The base case is if there are no numbers, then the missing range would be the entire range between the lower bound and the upper bound, and we append it as one single element of two numbers, lower and upper bound, and return the result as a 2D array. If the number is greater than the lower bound and the number is the first element, then we add it to the results, two numbers, the lower bound and the first element of the array, subtract 1. The iteration through the numbers array focuses on iterating until the second to the last element. So if the numbers index plus 1, take away the numbers index is less than or equal to 1, so we can assume that there are no missing value and can continue. Otherwise, we have to add the array containing two elements of numbers I plus 1 and the numbers I plus 1, take away 1. This will determine the range as the missing gap between the numbers at index I and the numbers at index I plus 1. Then we need to determine whether the last element of the array is less than the upper bound. And if there is a gap between the last element and the upper bound, then we will add this to the result and return the result.